In the last few years, the world of digital technology has seen a revolution. We've gone from centralized websites and apps to a brand new world powered by blockchain, where users can truly own their data, their content, and even their digital experiences. At the center of this new world are two powerful ideas: NFTs and DApps. And when these two concepts combine, they create something remarkable: NFT DApps. In this lesson, you'll understand what NFTs and DApps really are, how they work together, and why NFT DApps are changing industries like art, music, gaming, and even ticketing. Part 1. What exactly is an NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token. Fungible means something that's interchangeable, like a dollar bill or a Bitcoin. Every unit has the same value, but non-fungible means something unique, something that can't be swapped one for one with another. An NFT is a unique digital asset stored on a blockchain. It could represent digital art, a collectible, a piece of music, a video clip, or even a digital certificate proving you own something. The blockchain acts like a public record, confirming who owns what and when it was created or sold. What makes NFTs special is that ownership is transparent, permanent, and verifiable. Once your name or your wallet address is linked to an NFT on the blockchain, everyone can see that it's yours. No one can forge it, copy it, or change it. In simple terms, NFTs are digital proof of ownership. Part 2. What are DApps? Now let's talk about DApps. DApp is short for Decentralized Application. Traditional apps like Instagram or Spotify are owned and controlled by one company. All the data, content, and rules live on their private servers. DApps are completely different. They run on blockchain networks, not company servers. That means they're not controlled by any one authority. Instead, they operate using smart contracts, computer code that automatically executes actions when certain conditions are met. Part 3. What are NFT DApps? So, when NFTs and DApps come together, they create what we call NFT DApps. These are decentralized applications that use NFTs as their core feature. They allow people to create, trade, and interact with NFTs directly on the blockchain. NFT DApps are at the heart of the Web3 economy. They remove middlemen, empower creators, and let users participate directly in ecosystems where they own what they create and collect. They're not just websites or platforms, they're entire digital economies, built on the principles of transparency, freedom, and user ownership. Because of this, DApps are transparent, secure, and open. Anyone can see how they work, anyone can join, and no single organization can secretly change the rules. This is what makes DApps the foundation of Web3, the next generation of the internet, an internet built on decentralization, ownership, and user control. Part 4. Types of NFT DApps. Now that we understand what NFT DApps are, let's look at the different types and how each one is transforming its own industry. 1. Art and collectibles platforms. The first and most popular category is art and collectibles. NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, SuperAri, and Nifty Gateway allow artists to mint their creations as NFTs, meaning they can publish their digital artwork on the blockchain. Collectors can then buy these pieces directly, knowing they're getting authentic, one-of-a-kind digital art. Every time that artwork is resold, the original creator can automatically receive royalties. That's a major breakthrough for artists because it guarantees long-term rewards for their work. Other platforms like Binance NFT and Crypto.com NFT focus on niche communities, but they follow the same principle, giving creators power and giving fans genuine, verifiable ownership. In short, NFT DApps in art have completely redefined how creators get paid and how collectors build value. 2. DeFi and NFT collateral platforms. The next type of NFT DApp is where finance meets creativity, combining NFTs with DeFi, or decentralized finance. Imagine you own a rare NFT worth thousands of dollars. Instead of just holding it, you could use it as collateral to borrow cryptocurrency. Platforms like NFTFI, NFTX, and Avigochi make this possible. They allow users to lend, borrow, stake, and even earn interest using NFTs. Avigochi, for example, mixes financial staking with gameplay, letting users earn yield while also owning unique game assets. This is a huge step forward because it turns NFTs into productive financial assets, not just collectibles sitting in a wallet. 3. Music NFT DApps. Next, let's move into the world of music. In traditional music, artists depend on record labels, distributors, and streaming platforms. And most of the revenue goes to middlemen, and artists get only a small share. Music NFT DApps change that completely. Here, musicians can mint their songs or albums as NFTs, set their own prices, and sell them directly to fans. Each NFT can include special privileges, like early access to new releases, private concerts, or exclusive experiences. Platforms like Audius and Onif are leading this movement, giving musicians complete control over their art, their earnings, and their connection to fans. Music NFTs even make it possible for fans to own fractions of a song's rights, turning music ownership into a community experience. 4. Utility NFT DApps. Now, imagine you buy a concert ticket that exists as an NFT. It's stored in your wallet. Impossible to lose, counterfeit, or fake. That same NFT might also grant you lifetime discounts, VIP access, or exclusive merchandise. If you can't attend the show, you can easily resell the NFT ticket to someone else securely on the blockchain. That's the power of utility NFT DApps. They take ordinary, everyday experiences, like events, memberships, or loyalty programs, and turn them into verifiable digital assets with real value. Projects like Yellowheart and FTFi already using this model to make ticketing and fan engagement more transparent and rewarding. This is how NFTs are stepping out of the art world and into real-world use cases that impact millions of people. 5. Metaverse NFT DApps. Next, we enter the metaverse, a digital world where you can socialize, play, work, and own virtual property. In these spaces, NFTs represent land, avatars, fashion, and even digital homes. Platforms like Decentralized, The Sandbox, and CryptoVoxels allow users to buy and build on virtual plots of land. People are hosting concerts, running virtual stores, and even developing full-scale businesses, all inside these NFT DApps. Fashion brands like RTFKT and Dress are also creating digital clothing that can be worn by avatars in these virtual worlds. It's not just gaming. It's a new form of social and economic life, where NFTs define ownership and identity in the metaverse. 6. Gaming NFT DApps. Finally, one of the biggest success stories of all, gaming NFT DApps. Games like Axie Infinity, Gods Unchained, and Sir Ari have built entire economies where players truly own their in-game items. Players can earn, trade, and even sell their digital characters, weapons, and cards for real money. This model is known as play to earn, and it gives players real financial incentives while making games more interactive and rewarding. Gaming NFT DApps have attracted millions of users worldwide and are proving that fun, ownership, and income can coexist in one ecosystem. Part 5. The tools behind NFT DApps. NFT DApps might sound complex, but behind the scenes, developers use specialized tools to build them. They rely on smart contract frameworks like OpenZeppelin and Hearted for secure development. They use minting tools like Pinata and the Rarible API to create NFTs quickly. They integrate marketplaces like OpenSea through Apis, so users can trade inside their apps. They store NFT data safely on decentralized storage systems like IPFS and Arweave. And they track usage with analytics platforms such as Dune Analytics and Moralis. Together, These tools power the Web3 engine that keeps NFT DApps running, transparent, safe, and scalable. Part 6. Why NFT DApps matter. NFT DApps are far more than a trend. They're redefining ownership, creativity, and commerce on the internet. They make digital assets scarce, valuable, and tradable. They eliminate unnecessary intermediaries, giving more power to the people who actually create and use digital goods. And they open the door to an internet that's fairer, freer, and more connected than ever before. Of course, there are challenges: regulation, scalability, user experience, and environmental concerns, but innovation continues to move fast. Every day, new NFT DApps are being launched, and with each one, we move closer to a world where users truly own their digital lives. So, what are NFT DApps? They're decentralized applications that let you create, own, and interact with NFTs in countless ways, from art and music to finance, gaming, and beyond. They're the building blocks of Web3, the next version of the internet, an internet built on ownership, transparency, and community. If you're a creator, a developer, a gamer, or simply someone curious about the future of technology, NFT DApps are something you can't afford to ignore. They're not just changing how we use the internet, they're changing who owns it. If this video helped you understand NFT DApps, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves tech, and subscribe for more educational videos that explain the world of blockchain, Web3, and digital innovation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.